When your front desk is locked out of scheduling, or your team cannot reach patient charts, work stops fast. That is when remote IT support matters most. At Turnkey Solutions, our average response time is 4.2 minutes, and as Henry D. Overton says, we do not just fix problems, we prevent them by watching the systems your teams rely on before small issues interrupt the workday. Remote support helps time-pressed teams restore access, protect data, and reduce downtime without waiting for travel. It supports password resets, connectivity problems, software errors, suspicious emails, access issues, and performance slowdowns. And with 24/7, 365 live help desk coverage, real people answer when users need help. The strongest results come when remote support is part of a mature IT model. That means help desk, monitoring, patching, cybersecurity, compliance support, troubleshooting, and planning work together. Remote monitoring and management helps detect device, backup, and performance issues early. Security tools like endpoint protection, MFA, dark web monitoring, and email filtering are built into support, not treated as afterthoughts. Remote support does not replace local accountability. On-site service still matters for hardware installation, physical network deployment, office build-outs, and infrastructure projects. The best model combines remote speed with a local team that knows your systems. Read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist.